And then, was it, yeah, I asked the real question.
And that was it. And then you were sad.
What panel?
The 2010, the panel of Los Angeles, it was like went on for 3 hours.
Oh!
That really one.
Oh my goodness.
And then I was like, I had the bullshit question, which was,
What's cooler than ice cold?
Alright.
Yeah, maybe that would be the answer.
So I asked some bullshit about influences, like, if you have a writer or hero 2 platform, right?
No, she's bloody.
Oh, you asked me.
We got her right now. Instead of like our force.
Hey, I like that because it was a force.
Is it like a phone whip?
It's like a phone that shoots lasers.
Well, it's because it was like the touch screen.
Yeah.
They have
we got a
voices.
proper.
Wait, what episode is that?
It hasn't. You haven't put it out yet.
Okay.
You've seen it.
Sorry.
Have you seen it?
Free
I
screen.
told Jay what laser noise to use. I'm cool.
You're part of the production team now.
I'm the Brody Brothers.
Producer credit.
Hey, he pays me credit rights. I'm gonna troll your music. Where's my name tag? Where's my name tag?
I'm trying to find a good title for you, like consultant or
Laser dude. Crazy man who came to my house.
yeah.
No, you're he's wearing a hell of a figure.
That's money.
You bought a figure from him?
Yeah.
Dark
Yeah.
How much did he?
What I think?
Like 70 or something.
Like
No, that's about right.
that's more than
Yeah.
No,
Well, without shit, because like shipping
Yeah.
would
Right.
have been like $15.
I thought we were going over pricing. No, it's not.
We're nerds.
I'm still trying to get rid of my keyboard.
Dude, they're still on my shelf, bro.
Yeah?
I dust them like every other day too.
I'm trying to get